How do you take care of your battery?
You
As in,
mean
like, for
the
example,
end
an end
customer?
consumer, like I have a two-wheeler, electric two-wheeler. So how do I take care of my battery?
So the most so we give a do's and don'ts to all our customers. How should you take care of a battery? So a battery when charged or discharged really gets heated. So आप जब भी अपनी vehicle चला के आओ एकदम से, not to put that on charging immediately. Let the battery cool down and then put it on charging. Mostly क्या जितनी भी आग लगी हैं, the fire episode what happened was that batteries were on charging. So when you're injecting, आप अपना फ़ोन भी चार्ज करते हो तो फ़ोन gets hot. When you're transferring energy from electricity, I mean the electricity point to the your phone or to the battery, so energy is being transferred. तो उस टाइम पे the equipment gets hot, the batteries get hot. So you should not immediately charge your battery as you come after a ride. You should let the battery cool for some time, then put your vehicle on charging. Keep away from water. Water is the biggest deterrent to the battery. Even though our batteries are waterproof, but that does not mean that you can run in your like the waterlogged roads with the battery fitted. Never wash your vehicle with the battery fitted if you have to wash your vehicle, because people are used to washing their vehicle like the conventional IC with a jet spray. So even if you have to do that, just take out your battery and do the washing.
And these are like very important points that we as consumers should be like cautious about.
Yes.